Speed Test November. Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, November the 1st, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. It's the first Friday of the month, so I will do a speed test without comments or instructions. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will do a speed test with these 3 regular puzzles. And the first one is the 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle number 9512. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzles I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Speed test November the 1st, without comments and instructions. Alright, 2 minutes already passed. 2 2 1 1 1 3. Need a 3 here. 2 7 8 24 and 7 1 need a 2 here, need a 2 there, need a 3, 8 need a 8 here, 4 7 and then 9. 7 need a 9 here, need a 5, need a 6, 3. No 9, this should be the 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 1 here. 1 6 5. 6 5. This should be the 4. 4 and a 9. This should be the 1. 1 need a 5 here. 1 5. This should be the 2 and the 6. 7 9 5 should be here. 4 9. This should be the 6. 6 2 and 3. 9 4 and the 7. 9 4. 9 9. Need a 8. Need a 5. I'm in the library, yeah. All those people, all those babies. Come on, come on, come on. Focus, focus. 8. 2, 2 there. This is a 2. Come on, come on. 6, need a 6 there. How about here? 1, 2, need a 3. Need a 4. 4, need a 9. 9. Well, 1, 5, 7. No 7. No 7. Here should be the 7. 1 and a 5. 7, need a 7 there. Need an 8 here. 8, need an 8 here. Come on. 6, 5. And 3. Need a 9. Need a 4 and 6. 6, 5. 5, need a 5 here. 9, need a 9 there. And a 4 here. 4. 5, 9. 9, 2. Here 2. Need a 3 here. 1, 5. Oh, mistake. Not 1, 5. Here should be the 1. This should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 5. Here 1, there 5. Correct. 7 minutes. -2, 5 minutes. Let me check if this is correct. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, correct. 5 minutes. Well, we saw it again, and I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.